What's up, you guys? My name is Victor. This is RV with Victor, and behind me is the best new bunkhouse for 2027. This is the new 2027 Flagstaff 27DBH. Let me give you guys a quick tour. You have a 5.3 BAL auto leveling system, and there's something new that I've been seeing on some of these trailers. You get a MORryde slide out tray. So you grab this blue tab here and slide that out that way, giving you way more space and access to your storage. Now this slide out tray is accessible from the other side as well. So you don't only have to open it up from the campsite. Dual entry doors, sealed and enclosed underbelly, of course, and you have that infamous outside kitchen. But look at this. If you put your hand underneath the griddle here and pull, you can actually fold the griddle out, giving you a little bit of space away from the camper when you're grilling. I think that's a really cool addition to the outside kitchen. Of course, you have that fridge and extra storage. You get a ladder leading up to the roof. The roof, of course, is fully laminated and walkable. You have an accessory hitch here in the back, so you can put a 300-pound bike rack and whatnot. And you also have space and access underneath this bottom bunk. So this bottom bunk will lift up and lock in place, so you can even roll in a scooter or an e-bike. So stepping inside, making a left, you've got two double wide bunks here in the corner. That storage access I talked about, by the way. You have a closet as soon as you walk in on the right. And no, in case you're wondering, no, there's no washer dryer hookups for this one, but definitely a sizable closet there. Next to that, you have your restroom. You're going to get a medicine cabinet, vanity, storage, a porcelain foot flush toilet, and you get that rectangular shower with those glass shower doors. And you also get that shower miser system to save 40% of water while you're out boondocking. Here in the main living, you have a couple of recliners sitting right across from your flat screen TV and your electric fireplace. You get a little bit of storage above and below the TV as well. And look at this. This is kind of new for 2027. This is still a 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator, but you get a little dual French door refrigerator for 2027. And I think that is just such an interesting looking design. Let us know in the comments what you think about that design below. I'd be really curious to hear your guys' thoughts on that. Full kitchen amenities, Magic Chef, microwave and stove. You have a 3-burner stovetop, metal sink there, and I really love that new backsplash that they're rolling out. I think that is just a really beautiful attention to detail there in the kitchen. U-shaped dinette, which makes into another sleeping space. Light fixture there, a little bit different for 2027. Also, the light over the recliners is this little touch light, as opposed to the button lights that you clicked before in the past. I think that's really nice. All the lighting in here, all this is recessed lighting in the roof, which I think is pretty cool. Here in the bedroom, now, the way that we ordered it here at Family RV, we ordered it with a second AC. Not every dealer is going to order it with a second air, but we did because we know how important that is for our clients. Queen size bed. Of course, you get storage underneath that there with a couple of drawers. And you can also see that your bed is a aluminum framed bed as well, and not just a piece of plywood that you're sleeping on at night. You get plenty of storage all around that second entry door, and you have a spot to mount a TV there in the corner. And I can also confirm with you guys that this unit that we ordered did come with two 200-watt solar panels. The system that it's running, you can get a third to tag along there, but you can also see, if you wanted to get creative, you have a lot of roof space to deck this thing out in solar. And before I forget, last thing, there's something new that they're doing on these 2027s. They are giving you the ability to connect your Starlink directly here to the side of the trailer. So if you have a Starlink setup, you're able to plug it in there and have your coach give you a Starlink connection. I also wanted to show you real quick how the more right trade is going to look coming through the other side. So I'm going to slide it in this way, hold that handle like that so it goes through the other side, let that pass through there, and show you how far it comes out over on this side of the coach. Couple of last minute features before I let you go. You of course have those hydraulic assisted steps on this one. I don't know if you guys have seen that on some older models, but the steps are assisted going into the trailer. You do get a grab handle, which was a concern for a lot of clients with the handles that we had before. A lot of clients were asking for a longer grab handle, and Flagstaff definitely answered that for you. I'm going to give you a chance to pause your screen so you can see all of the standard features on the Super Lites, as well as a couple of optional features there. Go ahead and pause your screen to be able to take a look at that. Can't forget to mention you have a mount for an outside TV, and yes, of course, you have that fully electric awning that comes out about 8 feet or so. Now this trailer is 32 feet, 10 inches long, tip to tip, and it's about 7,200 pounds dry. So most new half-ton trucks would be able to tow this. Now, if you are going to be towing a little bit further distance or more often, I would probably encourage you to go to a 3/4 ton. But if you have a new truck nowadays that tows 10,000 pounds, something like this is going to be perfect for you and your family. So that about does it for the 27DBH. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment. I'm going to read and respond to every comment. I'm also going to leave a link down below to this trailer on our website. If you're local to Southern California, come and visit us. We're at Family RV in Ontario, California, right off the Harupa exit. Come inside, ask for Victor, or go ahead and text me 760-559-6103. Text me, call me to confirm availability, pricing, specs, dimensions, all that fun stuff. I'm here and I'm ready to help you and your family. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to our channel so we can get our videos in front of more RV families. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one.